under your arm, across your chest, and down. This is going to help hold your shoulder down. Okay. So we're going to adjust C7.
It's the song, so we remember which one to bridge.
Excellent. I want you to lower this right shoulder. There it goes, perfect. Okay, so we're going to just C1 on the other side. So go ahead and pause that.